Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set a server icon on Discord in just a few simple steps. Click your server name at the top left to open the server menu. Select Server Settings from the drop-down to open the Overview page, which shows your server's current configuration. Click the Change Server Icon button and choose an image from your computer. Discord accepts JPG, PNG, and GIF files. The Edit Image dialog opens with your picture inside a circular crop area. Position it how you want it, then click Apply to confirm the crop. Your new icon appears in the preview at the top of the page, showing how it will look to members. Click Save Changes at the bottom to confirm it. The button disappears once your changes are saved, and your new server icon is now live. Your icon must be at least 128 by 128 pixels. If the image is too small, Discord won't let you upload it. For best results, use a square image, so nothing important gets cut off by the circular crop. If you want to change or remove your icon later, just head back to Server Settings and click the icon area again. You can upload a different image or click Remove to go back to the default letter icon. And that's how to set a server icon on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.